Hello and welcome to my video series. Today we're going to be looking at the L.U.A. This is my 5th video in the series. If you have not watched our other videos, you should. They are very good and informative and they will help you build up to this point, so you should watch them. And so we'll begin by looking at the L.U.A. Now the L.U.A. is this interesting language that was made in Spain years ago. It is used in all kinds of applications. It is known for its usage in it creates the worlds. It's used to create the world. It's like a world generation language that's used in the games like the Garry's mod. And actually we're going to be looking at Garry's mod in my Windows 98. We're going to pull it up and you're going to watch the L.U.A. work inside of the Garry's mod to generate the world, as well as the pill pack, because we're going to be looking at the Garry's mod pill packs, the parakeet pill pack. We'll also be looking at that, which is also run on L.U.A. or the L.U.A. It's not pronounced L.U.A, by the way. It's a mistake. You're supposed to pronounce it L.U.A, although it looks like you could say L.U.A. And you know, I usually pronounce the acronyms correctly, but actually you're not supposed to say. You're supposed to just say L.U.A, just like that. Because in fact, if you look, you can even spell it. I'll spell it out for you. We'll go ahead and open up the notepad, and I'll show you how to spell the L.U.A. You see? It is pretty simple. It's just L-U-A, like that. Pretty simple. So as I said, that's what we're going to be looking at today. So, first, we're going to learn how to do the L.U.A. Now, first, what we must do is we must get our integrated development environment open. So we'll make a new one and save the changes. Here we go. Got a nice new. So we're going to be working with this. Just like that. Alright. Now then, we're going to be working with the L.U.A. So we're going to do that now. So what you do is, first you have to tell it what to do. So we can do and then we can tell it to import the parakeet pill pack. You put the period at the end, and then you do the end. Make sure you do end at the end of all blocks, and then you can do the func, you can do some stuff, and you can teach it to do all kinds of things. This is extremely complicated, but we're going to do it right now. I'll show you what I'm doing in just a little bit. And then we're going to do this, and then yep, and there we go. And then just like that we can create it. And now this is a sample script. This is the sample script of L.U.A. that would be used in Garry's mod. And we're going to show you what that looks like in just a little bit. So first we'll show you exactly how to do it first. Now that we've created the L.U.A. script, what we're going to do is we're going to have to save it. So we go to the save, go to the Tectrix, all files. Remember last time we were having a very hard time with that. But now we do epo5.lua, L.U.A, I'm sorry, L.U.A, just like that. And we hit the save. And there we go. We have the L.U.A. all ready to go. So then we can close it. And we're going to open up the Garry's mod. Open up the Garry's mod. Alright, this is Garry's mod right here. We'll be loading it up, and we'll wait. Alright, we hit the retry, and then Garry's mod should start. Alright, here we are. We are now in the Garry's mod. I have everything working now. So now what we can do is we can hit the play the game, and now as you can see we are in the Garry's mod. This is where L.U.A comes to life. You can see the L.U.A has manufactured the world. It is controlling everything. It is beautiful, just like that. We're controlling the world. Everything is working. So now we're going to investigate the parakeet pill pack. Alright, so here we go. See, the L.U.A is extremely erratic. It is an extremely erratic, it is a very erratic programming language, and we have to be very careful. You see, we have to be extremely careful when we're using it, because otherwise it's going to kill us. You see, just like them, it's extremely dangerous. So I'm going to have to show you this very quickly. Oh boy, here we go. Alright, I have the pills ready. I can show you them. Here we go. Alright, hold on. Don't panic, don't panic. Alright, I think it's... Oh boy. Alright, I know what to do. First, we'll go over here, we'll pick something. We just pick one of these, and we'll become a gunship. Alright, here we go. Now we are becoming the thing. Now we can become it. We are the pill now. As you can see, it is working. That is the L.U.A in progress. It is doing all the things we have asked it to do. Now it is working perfectly. As you can see, our import script imported the parakeet pill pack and enabled us to use it. So now we'll try another one. Just like that. And now I'll show you another one. Oh god, it's still moving. Well, first, now we'll try another one. We'll do this one. Just like that. You see, it's perfect. That is exactly how it's supposed to work. And now, as you can see, the L.U.A is working perfectly. Our import script did it. As you can see, our pill pack worked. And by the way, this is an extremely good pill pack. I recommend it. It is extremely stable. Just like that. Now you can see it works perfectly. I can even show you this. See, it works very good. Very little problem. See, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh! As I said, absolutely perfect. And that is exactly how we can use the L.U.A. You saw how it works, how it does world generation. You saw how it can do the physics, just like this little car here. You saw it as we did the import statement for the L.U.A, and then it created the pill pack for us, which then worked perfectly. And you can now see the full-fledged power of the L.U.A. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I'll see you next time. We'll be talking about the... one moment, please. We'll be talking about the... excuse me. We'll be talking about the... actually, this is a better idea. Here. We'll be talking about the Python. The Python. It's a very good language. We'll be learning about it next time. And I'll see you then. Goodbye.